Hi, this is Professor Rajesh Kumar, Chairperson of PGDM Marketing at Jagdish Seth School of Management, Bangalore. The discipline of marketing has undergone a sea change in the last few years with evolution of platforms, tons of data and infusion of technology. The result is high velocity and personalized marketing, intense competition, informed customers who will settle for nothing but the best of the product and services. No surprises then that the role of the marketer is changing too, whether it is consumer goods, B2B, services, e-commerce or any other sector. With AI knocking at the doors, the future promises to be disruptive and exciting at the same time. The all-new PGDM marketing program at JAGSoM has been designed for those who aspire to be marketers in the AI era. The PGDM marketing program at JAGSoM is all about identifying and solving marketing problems that matter to an organization. We call this as the pedagogy of learning by solving, something that is deeply ingrained in the program. With the finest faculty, future-focused curriculum and highly rated learning experience, we are willing to walk the path with you. One more thing, all this in the city of Bangalore, a city that has given rise to countless successes and fueled a million dreams. Are you willing to challenge yourself?